Welcome to the new age of heating system efficiency with our Intatec iAir Vent 1/2 automatic air vent valve AAV007. This impressive tool is designed for the automatic removal of trapped air from sealed heating systems, eliminating the need for draining. Our air vent features a vacuum brake to prevent airlock formation and encourages air release from water. It's designed for easy installation at any point where air collects, ensuring convenient servicing and efficient operation. But it doesn't stop there. The Intatec iAir vent is fitted with a check valve to prevent any leakage during cleaning or maintenance, providing a seamless and hassle-free experience. With a maximum operating temperature of 110 degrees Celsius and a maximum working pressure of 6 bars, this brass-bodied valve is built to last.